Hello everyone, I'm KD Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to make char siu. So what's char siu? Char siu comes from two Chinese words. Char means a skewer, and siu simply means roasting, baking, or barbecue. So by now, you should be able to guess what is char siu. That simply means Chinese-style barbecue pork. In this video, I want to show you how to make char siu, a quick and easy way that you can do it at home by just using the oven. You don't need a barbecue pit. Want to know how to do it? Let's follow me and I'll show you how to do it. Let's start making the char siu by cutting the shoulder loin into strips. Not too wide, about 4 to 5 cm length. Add some hot water to the red yeast rice. Use the back of the metal spoon to break up the rice. Let it steep for 10 minutes to extract the natural color. Then pass through a strainer to remove the rice. Add the following ingredients to the oyster sauce in the pot. Mix the rice extract, the wine, light soy sauce, ground white pepper, bashed garlic and ginger, maltose, sugar, mixed together with the oyster sauce. Bring it to a boil to dissolve the sugar, and at the same time to concentrate the sauce. Thick enough to coat the spoon, remove from heat and let it cool completely. Next, put the shoulder loin into the Ziploc bag. Add the marinade. Squeeze out as much air as possible and then close the bag. Make sure the marinade is well combined with the pork. Leave it in the refrigerator for at least half a day, or better if overnight if time is permitted. After marinating for the night, remove it from the Ziploc bag. Arrange the pork on the wire rack. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place the pork on the wire rack and bake for 20 minutes. Make sure you have a tray lined with aluminum foil or baking paper, as the marinade that drips onto the tray is very hard to clean. While we are waiting, get some maltose and dilute it with a little bit of the extra marinade. We will use this to baste the pork. After 20 minutes, remove the pork from the oven and apply the basting liquid on it. Turn it over both sides. Then return it back to the oven and bake another 10 minutes. Then remove it and repeat the same process. Return it back to the oven and continue baking until it is done. The final color should look like this. Meanwhile, pour the extra marinade into a pan. Heat up the sauce and reduce the volume to become a thick sauce. Let the char siu rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And then cut it into slices. Arrange the pork on a serving plate. Drizzle the thick sauce on it and it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching and I hope you like this video. And if you want to try this recipe, You can get the recipe by following the link in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button and give me a like. Until the next video, I'll see you again, and my name is KP Kwan from tasteasianfood.com. Bye for now.